a celebration of closeness. Love happens in more ways than one. However, there are so many barriers that hold people back from experiencing the most beautiful and natural thing in the world.
Open your mind into checking this campaign out because it's just a really great campaign.
It would be very healthy for them also to actually see that they're welcome to do so.
Yeah,
they're welcome to do it.
Yeah. By the end of the day, no matter what other people say about us, what's important is kaming dalawa, we're okay.
Don't hide it, guys, because at the end of the day, you're with someone who's making you happy.
Us coming out this way and sharing our love so that other people may feel that it is possible.
A little bit different parts, it feels awkward if I'm scared. I don't need to be scared anymore because Ange and Joe are doing their thing.
It gives us the freedom to show to everyone. It's really, it's free to love.
As they say, it doesn't matter. So ang importante, nagmamahalan ka.